Everyone has an opinion about what customers want, but the marketers who can prove it are the ones who get ahead. At Stevens, our marketing, innovation, and analytics major is built for exactly this moment. You will go beyond traditional marketing to master the tools and techniques reshaping the industry, including big data, social media, mobile communications, and digital strategy. You will learn to design targeted campaigns, analyze consumer behavior, and translate complex data into decisions that actually move the needle. And at Stevens, that learning doesn't stay in the classroom. Through hands-on projects, you will work with real data, real platforms, and real challenges, building the kind of portfolio that gets you noticed before you even walk into your first interview. The curriculum covers the full modern marketing landscape, from integrated marketing communications and digital strategy to sustainability, sports marketing, and social media analytics. So you can tailor your path to the industry that excites you most. Our graduates go on to roles as brand development specialists, marketing coordinators, optimization and innovation analysts, and sales engineers across consumer brands, tech companies, agencies, and beyond. At Stevens, you will graduate ready to build marketing in a world where creativity and analytics are no longer separate skills. Connect with us today.